health model during a surprise inspection at the Guru Tegh Bahadur Hospital in East Delhi, targeting the Aam Aadmi Party. She reportedly described the hospital as a dumping ground, pointing to unused medical equipment and incomplete infrastructure. She alleged that the Aam Aadmi Party had neglected government hospitals, mentioning that the GTB did not have an MRI machine and was still using a CT scan machine that had exceeded its typical lifespan of 7 to 10 years. Gupta further claimed that medical equipment worth crores was lying unused in warehouses across multiple Delhi government hospitals. She also alleged that new hospital structures had been constructed without proper planning and the staff members had not received their salaries for 6 months. Expressing concern over the worsening condition of the government hospitals, Gupta stated that the infrastructure was in a dire state, criticizing the previous administration. She remarked that those questioning the 2,500 monthly aid for women should first take note of the condition in which the former government had left the state.
ओपीडी जहां 7 से 8 हजार है, एडमिशन जहां हजारों में होता है, एक भी एमआरआई इस अस्पताल में नहीं है, नॉट इवन ए सिंगल एमआरआई, एक भी एमआरआई। और जो सिटी स्कैन है वो 12 साल पुरानी मशीन है, जबकि एक सिटी स्कैन मशीन की लाइफ 10 साल की होती है। 40% पोस्ट खाली है और वो इस हेल्थ मॉडल की बात देश भर में कर रहे थे। मैंने सही कहा था, पेमेंट असली और बाकी सारी की सारी फाइलें खाली। जो टेक्नोलॉजी, जो मशीन, जो उपकरण, जो इक्विपमेंट खरीदे जाने थे अस्पतालों के लिए, वो खरीदे नहीं गए। जो भर्तियां होनी थी डॉक्टर्स की, नर्सिस की, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ की, वो की नहीं गई। सब कुछ अपने तरीके से उन्होंने अपने ही नियम कायदे कानून बना के किए। कोविड के समय में जो अस्पताल शुरू किए गए, सेमी परमानेंट स्ट्रक्चर जो शुरू किए गए, जिसके ऊपर उन्होंने करोड़ों रुपए खर्च कर दिए, आज वो बुरी हालत में अनकंस्ट्रक्टेड, कोई 30% पे, कोई 20% पे, कोई 50% पे, कोई 70% पे पड़ा है, और जो कि इतने अनप्लान्ड तरीके से हुए थे, जिसमें एक भी फैसिलिटी जो अस्पताल में होनी चाहिए वो है ही नहीं।
And then we go across to my colleague Kritika right now to get us more details. Well, Kritika, take us through what exactly was the reality check that the newly sworn in Chief Minister Rekha Gupta did at these government-run hospitals, and what were the areas of concern that was flagged by her?
Well, Savya, see, since the beginning of, in fact, the BJP's term in the national capital as the ruling government, they have been criticizing the Aam Aadmi Party government on multiple fronts, and the major one being, in fact, the healthcare model. Because remember, under Kejriwal, under, in fact, former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia as well, the education and the health model was the most touted by the Aam Aadmi Party officials, and even during campaigning, that this is one facet that we had heard multiple times. And this is the same agenda now that is being attacked by the BJP government. So yesterday, in fact, last night, we saw Chief Minister Rekha Gupta go to the GTB hospital and in a manner expose. She said that the MD of the hospital is currently also in charge of 3 other major hospitals as well, which she says is only proof of how overburdened these heads of institutions are. And because of such pressure, they're also not able to perform their duties in an overall manner. She also pointed out to how vacancies have not been filled in, how the hospital is running on a staff shortage. And, of course, the warehouse was a big part of the expose that she was making, that a lot of ventilators, a lot of oxygen cylinders, as well as PPE kits have gone unused. And she's now claiming that a lot of those equipments will not be in fact be fit to use because of improper storage in such warehouses. The further claim that is being made by the Chief Minister now is that this is not just the condition of GTB hospital alone, which she was inspecting last night, but in fact a lot of hospitals. She's also pointed out how 7 hospitals were to be built, were to be inaugurated, in fact, during COVID, but none were inaugurated. And in its place, semi-permanent structures have been put up, and even those have not been completed. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party has not directly responded to it, but in reference to a lot of the allegations that the Chief Minister made yesterday, specifically in respect to the vacancies in the assembly sessions as well, the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, including LOP Atishi, have repeatedly said that it is the BJP, it is the central government as well as the LG that has halted, in fact, the recruitment drives on these positions.
Right.
So definitely a lot of back and forth is going, and in the coming days as well, we'll see this only rise. Especially now with the CAG reports also coming out. Over to you, Samit.
Yes. Absolutely. Well, Kritika, thank you for getting us all those details. We shall leave it at that for the moment. Now, the Central